when we left our country, Sudan, kalena Sudan, bemekela bada hukuma. Aizol mechegale UN, mechegale hukuma da Kenya, loite jamin Kenya, hukuma da Uganda. Fita lada malga da jib Junubin, Katir, Habaj, Misr, Kenya. We were a refugee in Kenya, in Ethiopia, in Egypt. And our case was the same, that government of Sudan. Yo taro da nana fi beled bitana. The same case, yo gona le UN. Yo case jabo nana fi America, fi Canada, fi Australia, da hukuma batal, hukuma da Sudan. Now, hukuma da Junub batal, baktul fi shab. Uzol bagum fi America. Dol bagum min Canada, min Australia. Kalamita kudo le hukuma yamda bata America, bata Canada, bata Australia. Jabu ita besibu. Kalam al-gale yamda hukuma da Sudan batal. Ita besibu. Ili tabamal support the terrorist government. But that's Salva Kiir. A government that's been sanctioned by UN. A government that's been sanctioned by America. A government that's been sanctioned by Canada. A government that's been sanctioned by Australia. Tabogum, that dana batak yol batak kabir zede, tabamal itay mana fi Facebook. That's hukuma de gadama lajat quest. Well, I came here to warn the day before. I gave you a head up that I saw the bamal de granat jerit. I saw the bamal support the hukuma da Salva Kiir. Pi social media, I Junubin bamal support the hukuma da Salva Kiir. Pi social media, Facebook batak bishilu tet. De yo aja amalu la kwal. Da ma wele amalu. Da America. Bamchi la aizol mama Amir, aizol bat Junubin, el bagi mawkuma el baktul chap. Facebook da bishilu bara. Ma ba malak warning ayaja. Facebook da yo bishilu bas. Malta gada male daide. Then you are sunless. You cannot support terrorist government while you are under protection of the US. Ito go to America, that's hukuma da Sudan da hukuma batal. Ito go to Canada, that's hukuma da Sudan da hukuma batal. Ito go to Australia, that's hukuma da Sudan da hukuma batal. Ujabu ita, pakala hukuma batal. Lakini lele, America bugula hukuma ta Juba de batal. Ile ito bugum tika ramal support leo fi America. Kalam ne mabajitani. You will never support terrorist government while living in America, while living in Canada. Warao bukun pi usajin batchoy. Warao bukun pi usajin lano. Now, America is not joking ma hukuma da Salva Kiir tani. They took it to a next level. Hukuma da now is seen as a terrorist, terrorizing community. While we're speaking now, nas gadamot fi warap mal wala to Salva Kiir minum bari. Uma fi police, uma fi jej. Nas gadamot fi warap minum bari. Ma fi police chalo, ma fi jej chalo. The UN yo mission to save people's life. He later got for America and they supporting terrorists. Akuma da kosomak. Amshi Junub. Makwenda jafi Junub Sudan. Asa fi Junub ma bizol gari kalam be Facebook. Ita kalam be Facebook zede bese Junuita. Ila what makes you think that ita be kalam fi America, ita be kalam fi Canada, ita be kalam fi Australia. Fi Junub Sudan gari se Jununat, hukuma de gari se Jununat. Lozol gal bas hukuma de boktul nas. Ol hukuma de gari amala jad batal bese Junuita. Gal ma da kalam zede. Ila fi America, ita budget kalam zede, you supporting that government while you living in America, in Canada, in Australia. Kalam na ma budget ane. Facebook with akwala malu remove. Actual gada sa alkal finas Junubin report. Nobody reported. Da America de. Aya nana bogulu bi Facebook de is translated in English. Ma fi luka ma ga tarjamu. Ajada nana gari kalamu de, Facebook brao yo tarjamu. Illa they will make their own decision. That's all they. Can they keep their Facebook? Or ishilo bara. So they made a decision. Yitama baje barane Simon D. Sa Junu family bataw. Ba kalam. Bas kalam. Sa Junu family bataw. Simon D. De wala sakar gad fi Europe. Sa Junu family bataw. And take social media and you supporting a terrorist government that are terrorizing community. Terrorizing community for nothing. A terrorist government of Salva Kiir Mayadi. You have audacity to support that government in America, in Canada, in Australia, and you think you're smart. Well, now, I can't be young away. Mean drama, quack, to not Mamma Miro, because some of the cool down the Chiro Facebook with oh, the mob you Facebook for Yabatatan. Then Gararat did it. That's why I came here before and I warned you. We know what we're talking. We know what we're doing. We know what we're talking about. This is a world. They might live. Ajad is not longer live. You cannot support a terrorist government in America. And when you came to America, you were telling American government that government of Sudan was bad. You cannot support terrorist government of Salva Kiir for Canada. And you are under protection of Canada. Because Canada took you away from another bad government. You cannot support a bad government while you are in Australia, enjoying life in Australia. While your case was about the government. That's the government of Sudan was bad. But now you are supporting a bad government. You are supporting a terrorist government. A government that's been sanctioned by UN. A government that's been sanctioned by America. A government that's been sanctioned by Australia. You are supporting them. The my Facebook will over here. You will be deported to South Sudan. Why should you be protected by America? Lo kuma da lo kuma kwes. Am chikalas. Beshilu to Vijinov. Beshilu to Vijinov. Tamabugo kuma da kuma kwes. The book to finance while we're speaking now. Children and women, elderly, are dying warab. Toin warab. Minubari. Mafi police. Ajin kuchal police. Utumijana na naona nenga andanga chala akuma. Akuma they win. Why should they not go save life of citizens for Warab? Naza gadamut for Warab da you are not on the nas. They should go to Okuma shall give me my motan. Lakin nas gadamut as a fi Warab binubari. Ila UN jibakil. UN jimoya. Dama UN Okuma da beledak. You cannot be supported, especially when you are Dinka al-Jam min Warab min Salva Kiir. You are supporting him. And you want UN to come to Warab now to give you service. Lana ita katal da nafsak o ma fi hukuma. Hukuma wa na wako inwan fi social media de akuma asa you know akin ga chola akuma. Lana akuma de chino. Akuma na shakal. Crime will be committed. People fight. Hukuma will come to break the fight. Uzola kaltan chikala wagabo zola bamchi musajfa. Zola bamchi sejin. Zola bamchi makama. They are chokol to Okuma. Lakin as I jam man, I can get all Akuma for Warab. Belleta Salva Kiir, Wallahi da Salva Kiir. Pandir Salva Kiir. Salva Kiir will live for Warab. Motan Boktul Badata Mud wasn't the Comsin al Katir, actor Mindak. While we speaking now, Mud wasn't the Comsin. Uliza Machi folk. Lana ma bizul Bogub Shekaladak. Yala said man in the social media about Amale Dailenas. Kalana Vichala Kuma, you supporting something like this. Well, America big Kalas Tagayan by Canada. People will go to jail because supporting America will never support terrorists. Salva Kiir is a terrorist. That government is a terrorist, terrorizing community, terrorizing everybody. That's why they've been sanctioned by UN. That's why armed embargo been placed on them. Terrorist government. Most of those people working for that government, they will never step their foot to Uganda here, our neighbor. They've been sanctioned. They've been on the I got a Kalam Katira, he will never go to Uganda. Muy Bogolena Gal Tal for Juba. Muy Bogolena Tal for Juba. Talcum for Juba. Mkwelwa will never step his foot to Uganda. Bamji said in Tawali. Lano le amalo sanction. So utumuna da ngong lwali agre utunga de pere jakwal. Akwal ma de pere jakwal la ikola itoga ijur kalas. Ana chuda akwal la chul dalan. Can finance the social media, got amal report. No, social media, nobody can afford you. Facebook make their own decision. Facebook, they were going to issue by Janu to Nas Mulkumin, Ma Vitalim, Ma Varum Gawanin, the Facebook, you know. Facebook community serve guide. When you violate them, one of them is supporting terrorists. Salva Kiir is a terrorist. South Sudan government is a terrorist. terrorist definition when you terrorize your own community. Wala sagar the Simon D. Jabara. He speak his mind. He speak his mind. His constitutional right. Pointing out what is bad with that government. That's a government. Then he went to his family and detained his family. National security. Child family batao. Anu tumja fi America. Denga bata warab. Udenga al-sajman bata ngong lali yagde. Lana ngong lali gabila sajman fi alanil. Bamti bahamal safol la haja uman mabarabin. Ayya le buktul nas. Ngong lali yag badakal fiyo tawali. Ayya le buktul zol. Hukuma da katal zol. Ngong lali yag. Uyam da kataluman da kala fi adang. Hukuma da maamala yade. Kataluman da kala fi adang ni bakalaw da hukuma maamala yade. I always ngong lali ngot always. I male kataludol hukuma da jabu kusfuta umma ta ngong lali yagbe. Ola hukuma da magade shila hukuma da magade safid min ngong lali yag. Aje bo golugal mega ta wafa da de meg bata dingjole ne de ma meg bata ngong lali yag fa de bas mata golana nana afa